Hi friends, this is Madhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this detailed video, I will show you exactly how to download and then properly install the powerful Tally Prime accounting software. How to create a company. How to create accounts. Accounts refer to ledgers, which we call masters. How to create ledgers. Similarly, how to create inventory. Inventory means stock. We refer to stock as inventory. In this video, I will explain in detail how to create this inventory. Tally Prime is not just for accounts or commerce students. Even non-commerce students can learn it. Many non-commerce students have learned from me. They have settled as accountants. I am saying this based on my experience. I have 25 years of accounting experience, and I have provided accounting services to different types of organizations. Based on my experience, I have created 110 ledgers. If you practice these 110 ledgers, even non-commerce students can easily learn Tally. That's my guarantee. Even if you just look at these 110 ledgers, or if you watch and practice these 10 lessons and still can't learn Tally, then give me a call. I will definitely guide you. In the detailed description of this video, I will provide direct links to the YouTube videos for each of those 10 comprehensive lessons. Please do take the time to check them out at your convenience. My earnest request to all the friends who are currently watching this particular video is as follows. If any of my commerce students are watching, there are those who dropped out without completing their studies, right? For them, please share these videos. If they watch my Tally Prime videos, they can easily learn Tally Prime. They definitely will. They will settle as accountants. That's my guarantee. And after Tally, I have already uploaded some videos. I will also link them in the description. I have made and uploaded separate videos for each of the advanced features in Tally. If you watch all of those, you will become perfect in Tally. Along with Tally on my YouTube channel, I also explain all the Excel features that are useful for accountants. MS Word is also used by accountants. I will give you training on that as well. I will upload my videos. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share it. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Friends, here on the Tally Solutions website, you can see the price for Tally Prime single user. Silver means single user, and the price is 22,500 plus GST. And for Tally Prime multi-user, here you can clearly see the gold edition. The Tally Prime multi-user license is priced at 67,500 plus applicable GST. My dear friends, if you ever find yourself in need of assistance, I am readily available to connect to your system online through any desk and provide comprehensive help and support. I can certainly install and fully activate it for you remotely via any desk. Furthermore, in strict accordance with your company's specific requirements, I will meticulously create comprehensive ledgers and detailed inventory records. I will also diligently enable all the essential features you require and provide thorough, hands-on training on precisely how to make accurate and efficient entries into the system. This is a free service. I do not charge any extra fees, okay? Friends, if you type Madhu Tech Trainer on YouTube, my YouTube channel will appear like this. Now you can see it, Madhu Tech Trainer. Just click on it. Please click on it. And also you can find it right here in this specific location. You see the bell icon with all, right? Click on all. If you click on all, you'll get a notification whenever I upload further videos. Here are all the videos. And if you open the podcast, here, you'll find videos categorized for you. You'll see videos related to Tally Prime, EPF, ESI, general YouTube topics, YouTube video making, and creating a YouTube channel. Clipchamp video editing, Canva video editing, MS Word tutorial videos, and advanced features of Tally Prime. And related videos, all these diverse category-wise videos can be conveniently found right here. By simply clicking, you can easily select and then watch the specific video you truly desire. Please do subscribe to my channel as well, without fail, to stay updated with all the latest content. Okay, now let's get to our topic. Now let's proceed to download the Tally Prime software application. Please type Tally Solutions into the Google search bar. You'll see the official website name, right? Tally Solutions. Click on that. You can see the download option here, can't you? Click on the download button at the top. You can see it on the left side here, right? Click on Tally Prime Release 5.1 download. I'm saving it. The download is complete. It's saved here in the Downloads folder, the setup file. Double click on this. Click on Yes here on the tablet. Here you can see the application Tally Prime. The release file and the application path are in the C drive inside Program Files in the Tally Prime folder. This means our file will be saved in the C drive. You can change the path. If you want to change the path, you can see it here on the left side. Click on C Configuration on this configuration. Please click on the prominent orange colored line that you can clearly see here on the screen. Here, by carefully selecting the browser option located under the House category, you are able to conveniently change the installation path right here. This means you have the complete freedom to install it wherever you desire or prefer. You also have the option to install the deal, but for now, let's proceed to install it directly within the city itself. Please do not change anything at all. Just remain here for a moment. Escape, escape. Now please proceed to click on the prominent install button located on the right-hand side of your screen. It will be installed. Okay, please go ahead and click on the Tweet Prime application. Please click on the Access button located here to proceed with the next step. I see Welcome to Tally Prime like this, right? There are 4 options here. Try the first option on the left side. It says Tried Free Educational, in brackets as educational. Even if we don't purchase the Tally licensed version, we can still learn Tally in this educational mode. All features will be available, okay? Now, there's an option on the right side, right? Activate new license. You can simply click on this particular item right here. That means if we purchase Tally Prime, we will get it. They will give the license for activation, so we click on Activate here. There will be a serial number here. Type that serial number. Then in the second line, enter the activation key. And in the third line, type your email ID. Once we press enter, it will get activated for us. Tally will be activated. Okay. Now, since we need to purchase a license, there is no need for me to enter any serial number or activation key here. Just press escape here. Let's learn Tally now in education mode. Okay. Click here. I'm clicking on the first option on the left side. Try it for free. Here, the first option we get is Create Company. You need to scroll down below that. Here there are 4 options. Select Remote Company, Specify Path, Select from Drive, and E4. Now, we need to create a new company. Click on Create Company, press Enter. Here, company name. ABC Company. Example. The mailing name will be the same. Press Enter. Now for the address. Kukatpali. Hyderabad. As soon as you move to state, you'll get a list of states. Here, you need to select one. Type Telangana. Select Telangana. Now you need to enter the PIN code, enter the telephone number, enter the mobile number. If you have a fax, email, or website, enter those as well. Here is the financial year beginning. Our financial year always starts on the 1st. The current financial year is from 1st April 2024. It ends on 31st March 2025. Just come to the Books Begin From section. Enter the same date. Here you'll see the base currency symbol as rupees. The formal name is INR. If you want to change anything, click on the Change Center. It will ask for access. Press Enter on your keyboard. Or else just click the button. Open the robo box. In this box, you'll find the goods and services tax, right? Just save it here. After you finish 10 licenses about GST, I'll explain it to you in detail. If I enter it, I'm setting it to none. I'm saving this. In the same way, once the company is created, this is how the screen will appear to us. Here on the left side, you can see the current period. 1st April 2024 to March 25. Present financial year, okay. Here the name of the company is displayed. ABC Company. Here, for us. Here, you can see data. First entry, no vouchers entered, right? Since we haven't made any entries so far, it appears like this. And here, you can see gateway of, right? All these options will be available in that. Here at the top, the first option is create. Right now, we have only the company here and there are no ledgers created yet. We have to create all of them ourselves. It's the create option, right? Select the create option and press enter. Here you can see ledgers, groups, and ledgers. All of these are visible. Here, select ledger, and here under name, it asks for the ledger name, right? You need to type the ledger name. For example, salary account. As soon as you enter, a list called List of Groups will open up. In Tally, all these groups are created by default. In this, the salary account should be precisely placed under the indirect expenses group. Here you can clearly see interest prominently listed. Please select it carefully and then press the enter key. Type of ledger, not applicable. Here, just press enter. This is for the opening balance. I will explain about the opening balance in section 7. For now, there's no need for it, just proceed. Access or no? Yes, press enter. Now my salary ledger has been created. Okay, so now we need to know which account should be taken under which group. We took the Sagar account under direct expenditure, right? Which group should we select? I will show you. Here I am opening an Excel sheet. In this, these are the heads of accounts. Head of account. Under the group, I am showing here which ledger should be taken under which account. Capital account should be created under the capital accounts group. Sales. And sales returns group under sales accounts. Purchase and purchase returns. That means under the purchase accounts group. Bank account under the group bank accounts. Bank OD account. Bank OD means if we take an overdraft loan from the bank, we need to create it under the Bank OD group. All customer accounts under the group sundry debtors. All supplier accounts under the group sundry creditors. Loans received from others. If we take a loan from anyone, it should be created under the loans liability group. Here, as you can see, these 5 accounts are all current assets and shares. If our company purchases shares, they should be created under the current asset group. Similarly, bank deposits are in the bank. When we make a fixed deposit, the bank deposit account should be created under the current asset group. TDS, RTCS, and TDS ledgers should be created under the current asset group. TDS India will appear later in your ledgers. I will explain it, okay? Prepaid expenditure. Prepaid expenditure should also be placed under the current side. I will also explain about prepaid expenditure to you later. Advanced tax refers to income tax. You will have a detailed lesson about income tax later. I will explain it then. Interest received. All of these should be created under the current asset group. Salary payable, rent payable, expenses payable, and expenditure paper. This will also come up in your lessons. I will explain it to you in detail then. All of these should be placed under the current group. All these are fixed assets. What does that mean? For example, let's say we bought furniture. You need to create them in a group, vehicles, buildings. When we construct the building, we have to record it as a fixed asset and place it in the group. Even if you purchase a computer, you need to record it as a fixed asset and place it in the group. If you purchase land and machinery or plant and machinery, they should also be recorded as fixed assets. If you pay an advance to any person, you should place them in the loans and advances group. For example, if you give an advance to an employee, you need to record that employee's account under loans and advances as an advance. These three, wages, transportation, and factory-related expenditure. Any factory-related expenditure should be created under direct expenses. Here, you see salary, right? Salary is an indirect expenditure. So, what is the difference between wages and salary? Wages are what we pay to workers in the factory. That's what we call wages. What we pay to employees in the office is called salary. Okay, so all these are office-related expenses, and all these are direct expenditures. The three ledgers shown above are all factory-related expenditures. All factory-related expenditures should be placed under the direct expenditure group. All office-related expenses should be created under the indirect group. Salary account, rent, telephone charges, post and telegrams, printing and stationery, PADA, miscellaneous expenditure, income tax. Miscellaneous expenditure means, for example, T. Small miscellaneous expenses. These are commonly referred to as general expenses in Telugu. We can also call it general expenditure. The ledger name income tax, discount given. You'll come across discounts later. I'll explain those details then. Commission paid refers to the agents we have. We have agents to promote our sales. We pay commission to the agent. That's the commission account. It should be entered there. When we take out loans, we typically pay interest, right? That particular amount should be created not as interest paid, but simply as interest. After interest, petrol, vehicle maintenance, depreciation, bad debts. I'll explain depreciation to you in detail in the next lesson. I'll also explain about this bad news to you later. All of these should be entered as interest. If scrap materials are sold directly within the factory premises, we should accurately create and categorize this under the direct income section. Specifically, this would be recorded as scrap sales. Discount received, commission received, interest received, miscellaneous income, rents received. All of these should be created under the indirect income group. All of these will be covered in the lessons. Then you will understand them in detail. Okay, this list will be provided to you in PDF format, linked in the video description. I will upload it and you can download it from there. Okay, now let's go into Tally here. We have now created a salary, right? To go back out, press escape and we are back to the gateway of Tally. Okay, now there's alter here, right? So what is alter? Here we created the salary, right? Here the internet spelling. Even if a mistake happens, like if we accidentally selected a different group, we can come here, change it again, and save it. That's alter. Okay, what is this? At the top, you can see cache and profile. By default, these two are created in Tally. We don't need to create this cache again. Okay. We need to create all the other accounts ourselves. For example, a ledger account. Create. Let's see what we should create. Capital account. capital account under the group capital accounts. Rent account, both are indirect expenses. Furniture. Furniture is a group fixed asset. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is a current asset. Why do we classify it as a current asset? This is because a fixed deposit, or FD, is something we can readily withdraw at virtually any time, so it should appropriately be placed under the current asset group. Now suppose we take SBI Bank as an example. We have opened an account in SBI. SBI account. Under the group bank accounts, here we enter the account number and all those details. Wages. Wages under group. Direct expenditure. All factory related expenses are direct expenditure. Vehicle maintenance. Vehicle maintenance is an indirect expenditure. Now, if you want to see, we have created all the ledgers. To view them, you have to go to All. We have successfully created all these essential ledgers. Okay, in order to proceed, please go to the very center. Here, we can change the group and save it again. I have explained how to create the remaining accounts. Now I will show you how to create inventory as well. Inventory means the items we purchase, meaning the goods we buy and sell, right? In accounting terms, we call them goods. Goods means stock item. Here we refer to it as a stock item. How do we create this stock item? To create it, go to create here as well. Here you see stock item, right? Press enter there. For example, let's say we are a dedicated and reputable fan dealer. A shop that sells fans. We are now, this is Crompton, fans. Item name, Crompton fans. As soon as you come here, you'll see group. Under means it's asking which group this belongs to. Look above as well. List of groups. Now you don't need to put it under any group. You see primary here, right? Just select primary and you can proceed. I will make a separate video about these groups and upload it for you. Watch that video. For now, just select primary. As soon as you come to units here, a box has opened up. Here above applicable, you can see create. Click on create here. Here in units, we carefully sell our products and services according to the precise number of dedicated fans we have. We do not base our sales on KGC leaders, but rather, our sales are determined solely by the exact number of completed form numbers. Accept yes. It will ask for the opening balance. You will also have the details in the 7 ledger. I am creating one Usha fan. Under the primary section, you will need to enter the appropriate numbers there. In this way, for however many companies I have, I need to create all the company items. I am pressing escape and coming out. Again, we have come to the gateway. Now go to autos. Go to stop item. Here you can see the items that we have created. You can also rename the Crumpton fans here. You can alter them here. Is there anything to change in the units? You should never change them. Only at the top. You can order a Crumpton name as well, okay? Escape. In this video just now for you. How do you create ledgers? I explained how to create strong items. Next, I will explain to you in detail how to enter transactions. For now, let's close this company. To close the company, see here, just click here. It will ask for Fate Sano. You should then press enter and it will be successfully set. Right, now we have the tank. Let's proceed to open the icon once again. Open tally and let's open the company. Select Continue Education Board Richest and press enter here. For us, the company has opened directly here. The company appears directly here for you. If you don't want it to open directly, actually when we open it, the screen should look like this. The company we created, ABC Company, should appear here. It should be visible here. But for us, it opens directly. The company opens directly. See, it goes straight in. I'm clicking here, continue, whatever education word, this company, and here the company opens directly. See, ABC and company. So if you don't want it to open directly like this, what you need to do is close this. You see the tally icon, right? Click on it. Right click with your mouse. Then select Properties here and click on Open File Location. Here, you'll see the tally file. Double click on it and it will open. This file shows you where your data is located. It's in C drive under Users, Public, Tally Prime, Data. Here it shows that the data is in the C drive, but it won't open the data in the C drive directly. Let's open that data folder. That's it. C drive. Users. Public. The Tally Prime data information. Here, this is the file that was created. A folder gets created for us. For each company, a separate folder like this will be created. Inside this, you'll find the files related to that company. You see the data here, right? Just rename it. Now close it. Open Foot Talk. I'm clicking on Continue as Education Board. See, now the company didn't open directly here for us. The company you created will be displayed here first, okay? Now, this is the Interboard AP company, right? Select it and enter here. See where the photo is. This is the photo you're seeing, the renamed folder name. Okay, now I'll select it and just enter the interview. You need to create it, okay, right? In the next lesson, I'll explain to you how to enter transactions, okay? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Do that as well. Share it. Leave a comment. Have a nice day. Thank you.